Tiny school.
Look out!
Arr.
Help!
Arr. Arr.
Oh, that was fun.
Yes, it was.
Look at this mess. Now we really need to clean in here.
Okay. Can we do something fun while we clean?
Yes, we can sing. La 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 la.
Grandpa, why is it so important to clean up after playing?
Cleaning up after yourself is very important. Otherwise, things will be a mess in here, and soon you won't find anything. And also, it will be dusty, and things will start to grow in here. A good habit to have is that if you use something, you should put it back after using it. Then you don't need to clean as often.
Oh, I guess so.
Are you tired, baby bear? Now we've really done something good. Maybe we should go out and play a little.
Yes, we can do that. But what about Baby Bear?
Baby bear? He's always sleeping so late in the morning. But he can be a little crazy sometimes. It's important to keep an eye on him. Look at him! He's so cute when he's sleeping. Oh no! It's messy here too! Who's the one making a mess all the time? Is it you?
No, not me.
Oh well, I don't wanna clean anymore. Now, let's play! I'm gonna get you! Arr!
Help!
Arr! What was that?
It was probably just a gadgeridoo.
A gadgeridoo? What is that? Now we really have to clean.
Okay.
Huh? Did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
Now it will be nice to go into a clean home. What has happened here? Could it be thieves?
I don't know. We must make sure that Baby Bear is okay.
Oh no! Baby Bear isn't here. We must find him! Quickly! Ah!
Whoops! Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But now it's a mess here as well.
Baby bear!
Baby bear!
I can't find Baby bear.
Can you see Baby bear? There he is, behind the couch. There you are, Baby bear.
Tiny
Hi,
school.
Baby bear. Baby bear can do almost anything. Baby bear can walk. Whoops. Are you okay? Baby bear can make the bed. Oh no, not like that. Baby bear can do the dishes. But where is Baby bear? There he is. Oh dear, now Baby bear is tired and has to sleep. Baby bear wants his cuddly fox. Can you help us find the fox? There he is. Now Baby bear has his fox. Good night. Baby bear cannot sleep. Finally, Baby bear is sleeping. Sweet dreams.
Tiny school.
What was that? Is there anything under the bed? No, nothing there. Baby bear is curious and wondering about the noise. Maybe the noise came from the kitchen. In the kitchen, everything looks as usual. Perhaps something has happened in the living room. No, everything here looks okay. Wait a minute. Why does the Christmas tree have Santa's hat? Ah! 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 Baby bear was afraid of Santa. Baby bear, what do you get from Santa? Ah! Baby bear cannot find Santa. Can you help Baby bear find Santa? There, behind the couch. Huh? Catch him. You caught Santa. Well done, baby bear. Baby bear wants a gift from Santa. Bulgi, bulgi, bululgi.
Tiny School.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Hello! Click on some of our other videos if you want to see more funny videos from Tiny School. And don't forget, have a super duper day!